Hey everyone, welcome to WaveDrop Tech. Today we'll see how to enable and use Windows Subsystem for Linux on Windows 10. So let's get going. The first thing you need to do is to search for features and click on turn Windows features on or off. Then you need to scroll down and enable Windows Subsystem for Linux. Here. We also need to enable virtual machine platform. Then click on OK. It will apply the changes. Now just press restart now. Okay, now go to Microsoft Store and search for Ubuntu. You can check other distros too. I am using Ubuntu here. Now simply click install. It will take some time depending on your internet speed. Okay, it has finished downloading. Now let's just press launch. It will again install some stuff. Give it some time. Now you need to add the username and password. Let me do that. Okay, so you have completed setting up the distro. Now we need to convert it to WSL 2. Worry not, just follow what I am doing here. So what you need to do now is to go to command prompt, then type WSL set version Ubuntu 2. Note that I am using Ubuntu, so I am putting Ubuntu here. If you choose another distro, you will have to put that. It has provided a link. What you need to do is to go to the link and download and install the new kernel for WSL 2. Okay, we have finished installing the kernel. Now type the old command again. It will take some time and our distro will be upgraded to WSL2. Okay, it has completed. Now let's test some apps. Let's try with NeoFetch. Oh, before that you need to update your package list. So let's install NeoFetch now. So as you can see, here are my system specifications. Okay, now let's try to run VS Code on Linux. Simply type code, it will download and install some files. Note that I already have VS Code installed on my Windows. As you can see, I am running VS Code on Linux. We can run almost every Linux application using Ubuntu using WSL. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and share if you did. Stay safe.